Hi there, people from Lord Music Academy channel. Here today we're gonna talk about how to increase the loudness in your music production. If you have some experience in music production, you might have previously experienced the feeling that a louder track or louder sound has more quality in comparison to a sound that is low and level. This is not necessarily true. In fact, and maybe the opposite, a louder sound usually has even less quality because it's already processed. So, how can we raise the level of a sound and still maintain most of its quality? So, if you listen to this audio, you are going to notice. I can raise the volume here on the stereo out, but you see that it's quite inconvenient that this sound is reaching the level that is over the limit of the system. So this is not convenient to happen. That loudest the sound can reach will be 0 dB. So I will set this limiter here, and we can track the level in this level meter here. Let's turn it on. You can see that peak is the volume of the loudest sound I have in this audio, and RMS is an average of loudness. So when I turn on the limiter, what I'm gonna do is to input a gain here, and you see it's not going to go any further than 0 dB in this meter. So you can hear that you raise the sound, but at the same time you introduce some distortions as well. Let's compare both. So how do we get rid of the side effect? So what I like using is this plugin here. It's called Elephant. It's the same idea. It's a limiter, but it has just a more transparent sound, as we said. Let's listen to it. Let's compare both dry and processed sound. You can hear that it's louder, and you can track by the level of meter here that is also at the same level you used to be in the previous limiter. Let's compare both limiters. You can clearly hear the difference, don't you? So that's the trick for raising the volume of your sounds using a good limiter. Especially this limiter is what I recommend, Elephant by Voxengo. Thank you very much, and see you on the next video.